ladies and gentlemen. I'm Christina, and I'm doing some projects today. And first project I'm doing is my TEAK table. Okay, I'm out here on the deck, and I'm going to show you what I've been using. I want to get you up to date on what I've done so far. Now, this table, I smoothed it all out with sandpaper, and then I washed it really well and got so much dirt up. So I rinsed it and washed it again, and then on this TEAK cleaner and brightener. This is what it looks like at this point. Okay, the other side of the table has not been done, but I want to show you how I'm doing this. So hopefully you'll learn as we go along. Okay. So you do follow directions. So you have to have it working in for 5 minutes before wiping a clean cloth over treated surfaces to remove excess oil. So it sounds like we're going to apply some of this, let it sit for a while. It said 5 minutes. So pour some of this on this nice clean cloth. And I'm going to start over here. Let it soak in. Already see how good it's going to look. Step over here, and you can't see me, but I am applying this TEAK oil to this beautiful TEAK table. Almost done. Just have a few more slats. Remember, I only did half the table. You're going to see how it looks. It's pretty clean because I don't see any dirt coming up. I think I cleaned it very well. Very well. Can you see the table? I need to also do these little things, edges. Now, how about that? And I still have to let that dry and put another coat on it. I think you get the picture. Can you see that tabletop? Sorry, I'm not very good at this, but you can see the difference, right? So that's my project, and my other project is to do this side. So I hope you learned something today. I know I did. And now I have a beautiful table and umbrella set. And it's so nice. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like or love it and subscribe, okay? I would like that so much. Thank you.